Construction projects are complex. Tight deadlines, multiple teams, and constant changes means that you need a tool that simplifies planning, keeps everyone aligned, and helps you stay ahead of the curve. That's where TeamGantt comes in. TeamGantt was built to be incredibly easy to use. You can create or adjust the schedule with simple drag and drop functionality. Need to add a new phase to the project or shift tasks to align with crew availability? Just move the task. Dependencies automatically adjust so nothing gets missed. For example, if you need to accommodate staggered start dates for subcontractors, you can quickly update the timeline without reworking the entire plan. Whether you're building out a project schedule or making updates on the fly, it's fast, intuitive, and keeps your team on track. Managing assignments is critical in construction, where tasks involve different people, teams, and even equipment. TeamGantt makes it easy to assign tasks and keep everyone on the same page. Assigning tasks in TeamGantt is simple and flexible. Select a task and assign it to a person, a team, or even a resource like a piece of equipment. For example, assign the electrical team to rough-in wiring or schedule a crane for steel erection. Tasks update instantly so everyone knows what's expected of them. And when you need to assign multiple tasks, TeamGantt makes it quick and efficient. With multitask assignment, you can select multiple tasks at once and assign them to the same person, team, or resource. For example, assign a project manager to oversee inspections across several milestones, or assign scaffolding to span multiple tasks. This saves time and keeps your assignments consistent. One of the most powerful features for construction professionals is Workloads. With a clear view of resource allocation across all your projects, you can quickly spot bottlenecks and redistribute tasks to keep everything on schedule. And you can track more than just people. Use labels to allocate critical resources like cranes, scaffolding, or delivery trucks. Instantly see where equipment is and scheduled and reassign it when project timelines shift. For example, if a crane is needed at 2 job sites, Workloads ensures you can see conflicts and adjust proactively to avoid downtime. Construction schedules are all about timing, and knowing what tasks impact your timeline the most is key. That's where Critical Path and TeamGantt makes a big difference. With Critical Path, you quickly see which tasks must stay on schedule to avoid project delays. For example, if site grading runs late, it pushes back concrete pours, framing, and every task down the line. Critical Path highlights those key tasks so you can focus on what matters most to keep your project on track. And when schedules shift, it's really important to track those changes. That's why TeamGantt offers baselines. Baselines let you compare your original schedule with actual progress. By saving snapshots of your schedule over time, you can easily track when timelines shift, whether it's weather delays or subcontractor issues. This makes reporting to stakeholders simple and helps sort out accountability when liquidated damages or contractual disputes come into play. You can also toggle on the baseline column to quickly show you where individual tasks have shifted in the project and by how much. By combining Critical Path, baselines, and Workloads, you'll always know where to focus your efforts to deliver projects on time and on budget. And because TeamGantt is cloud-based, your schedule is accessible anywhere you can access the internet, whether you're in the office or on site. Field personnel can also use our mobile app to check tasks, updates, and even add comments in real time. With TeamGantt, communication happens directly on tasks. Add notes, upload specs, and discuss requirements all in one place. For example, attach a cut sheet for HVAC equipment or upload a marked up PDF to clarify scope. No more searching through emails or scattered documents so nothing falls through the cracks. All of this info is easily accessed from the mobile app as well, and users can update, comment, and even upload job site photos or documents of their own. And when you @tag a user, they'll receive an email notification letting them know about the mention in TeamGantt. Construction schedules are constantly changing. You need to keep your team aware of the changes as soon as they happen. Sharing an outdated PDF or printed schedule can cause confusion and delays. That's why TeamGantt's read-only share link is a game changer. With TeamGantt's share link, you share a living document, always up to date and reflecting the latest changes. For example, if your schedule shifts due to weather delays or subcontractor issues, those updates appear instantly in the link so your stakeholders always have the most accurate version. No more back and forth emails or confusion caused by outdated PDFs. And you can share it with anyone, not just the people invited to your project. The share link is also customizable. You can show only what stakeholders need to see, like the high-level timeline. It's transparency and control in one simple feature. Filter tasks, adjust what's visible, and share only the relevant information. For instance, you can provide your client with major project milestones while hiding unnecessary information and unrelated tasks. And for senior project execs managing multiple jobs, the portfolio view is a game changer. You can see at a glance how all your projects are tracking, what's on schedule, what's at risk, and where your attention is needed most. Quickly identify projects with overdue tasks or slipping deadlines at a high level. Then you can dig in and see where you need to focus resources to bring it back on track. The portfolio view ensures you're always in control of the big picture. Already using Procore? TeamGantt syncs seamlessly, making it even easier to manage schedules and keep your teams aligned. Export up-to-date schedules directly from TeamGantt where they're easy to use and update to Procore. Map resources and keep everything updated automatically. TeamGantt isn't just a tool. It's a solution for construction professionals who need simplicity, flexibility, and powerful features to get the job done. Try it today and see how it can transform the way you manage projects. From the office to the job site, TeamGantt keeps your projects moving forward.